I'm Monica Robbins with your top 3 health headlines. Results are in from an early trial of an mRNA-based vaccine to fight pancreatic cancer. Researchers say the 16 patients involved first underwent chemotherapy, used an immunotherapy drug, and had surgery to remove their tumors. Tumor samples then went to pharmaceutical company BioNTech, who created a personalized vaccine for each. Patients received the vaccine over 9 weeks, and 8 showed successful immune response, and 7 of the 8 were still alive 6 years after the trial began. Pancreatic cancer is often considered lethal, with 88% of people dying from the disease. This week is National Infertility Awareness Week, a time to recognize the challenges facing millions of Americans trying to start a family. Doctors say one of the most important things women can do is not wait to seek help. The guidelines are clear. If you're under 35 with regular cycles and no known issues, try for a year before seeing a specialist. If you're between 35 and 40, 6 months. And if you're over 40, see a fertility specialist right away.
Not all fertility issues are solved by IVF, and IVF is not even what most of my patients need to get pregnant. So there's a whole range of fertility options that we have to offer that are lower cost and more accessible than IVF. So I think if you have seen a provider who tells you IVF is the only option, it's so important to make sure that you see somebody who's really looking at the whole picture, looking at all the factors that can feed into a fertility diagnosis.
Experts remind patients that fertility is not just a women's issue. Male factors play a role in 30 to 50% of cases. To research and compare clinic success rates nationally, visit SART.org. That's the Society for Assisted Reproductive Technologies. And when it comes to hair and skincare products, a higher price tag doesn't always mean a better product. Cleveland Clinic dermatologists say the focus should be on ingredients, not cost. Look for sulfate-free shampoos because sulfates can damage hair and strip color. Find hydrating moisturizers with ingredients like ceramide, cholesterol, and hyaluronic acid. Avoid fragrance because it can cause skin irritation and dryness. And whatever you buy, don't skip the sunscreen. Choose one with at least an SPF of 30 or higher. I'm Monica Robbins, and that's your Daily Dose.